ascending tone, and then you should hear
kind of as the sun is changing. This would be like the bright light of the sun, and then as it starts to dim, it goes away and the sound kind of gets lower. And then the shadow comes in and it gets even lower and starts clicking.
Okay, now I want you to imagine that you are the sun. I want you to kind of shine the light in different directions.
In 2017, I just distinctly remember feeling really left out. I actually have this memory of feeling a little bit resentful that I couldn't be a part of this eclipse in some way.
Seconds, you'll heat it up, and then you'll bring your solder in, and it will basically melt.
Wait, this is so cool.
Right? Don't you, once you get in the zone, isn't it the best?
It's going to be inclusive, and having any technology that makes it possible for us to have an experience, an actual experience, rather than somebody simply describing it to us, is always fantastic.